guys, what's up and welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. I know some of you may have seen this one already, and if you have, you know it's worth another look. So here's a freshened up 2021 look at what is quite possibly the most delicious vegan cheesecake you will ever try. The apple crumb cheesecake is going to change your life, so sit back and watch this amazingness unfold. My cheesecake recipes are the easiest to make, so just throw your cookies or graham crackers or a combination of both like I'm doing here. I've got my ginger snaps all ready to go, and into the food processor with some melted vegan butter it all goes. And then just press all of that into the bottom of a greased and parchment lined cake pan. Yep, no springform pans here. Read all about why I don't use springform pans for my cheesecake on my website when you go grab this recipe at gretchensveganbakery.com. Alright, the cheesecake batter is equally simple. Again, all the recipe ingredients are listed out on my website, so just click the link below this video in the box. Now I do bake my vegan cheesecakes in water baths, so you're going to want to do that, and you're going to bake it for the first just for 45 minutes. Then we're going to add the apples on top, but first we have to make the streusel topping. You're just going to combine the vegan butter with both sugars in a mixing bowl and cream that to light and fluffy. Then add the cinnamon, salt, and flour, and then mix it well, and it's going to look like a soft cookie dough. Spread that out onto a sheet pan and freeze it while you make the apple filling. Now this is my famous apple pie filling recipe. It's so easy to make. It's just a mixture of water, or you can use apple juice, cinnamon, and sugar and cornstarch for a thickener. Bring that all to a boil and then add in the apples. It doesn't get any easier. Alright, so now at the 45-minute mark, you're going to carefully take that cheesecake out of the oven. It's not going to be fully baked, so be gentle. And this is where we go ahead and arrange those apples on top. Now, honestly, you can use a can of apple pie filling if you want to avoid making a whole other recipe. But then grab that frozen streusel topping and sprinkle that on top. And now get the whole thing back into the oven for another 30 minutes. Definitely be sure to read all the full instructions on my website for more details on how to bake cheesecakes to perfection every time. Alright, now once it is baked and cooled, you are going to unmold it. Now I always use my trusty blowtorch, but you don't need this. You could just plunge the cheesecake into hot water, and that should do the trick to release those cold fats. Vegan cheesecakes practically unmold themselves, so turn it out onto a serving platter, and then you can drizzle it with sugar glaze. And that's the way you make a perfect vegan apple cheesecake that will have all your friends saying, "No way, this is vegan." So go grab the recipe at gretchensveganbakery.com, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.